So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and talk about the new Thunderstruck event in FC Mobile, how you can get free Mbappe and all the other Thunderstruck cards. Plus, we're going to talk about the new league update, and we're going to get new redeem code as well. I'm going to show you what the new redeem code is going to be to get some free rewards as well. But here we can see some animation for the Thunderstruck event. By the way, please make sure to like and subscribe. If you subscribe, you're going to get all the newest redeem codes as well, just like the one in this video. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe. But yeah, as I said, we're going to go ahead and talk about the league versus league, new league versus league. I'm going to explain everything in there, plus in Thunderstruck event, how we can get free players, live overall upgrades, everything like that. So you have to watch this video until the end. But we can see another pack right there where we got Pellegrini. Look at that, very nice card animation. But let's go ahead and check out the Thunderstruck event first, and then league versus league. These are the players that we've got in Thunderstruck event. These are the icons. We're going to check out the players as well. So yeah, we've got 105 overall Rui Costa, 105 Lampard, 1 Percy. We've got Nesta as well as Jairzinho as 105s, and not all of them are going to be live upgrades. By the way, not all of them are going to get live upgrades. I'm going to explain how some of the players are going to get live upgrades and how you can get them for free as well. But you can't get any of those live upgrades for free in this event. Okay, you can go and get any of them for free. These are the Thunderstruck cards as well that are not icons or heroes, with Mbappe as 105. We've got DiMarco as 105 as well, and we've got James Maddison 104 and some other cards. But let's go ahead and actually get into the event and check it out. Here we go then. We are actually in the Thunderstruck event right now, and you can see it's very colorful. It's an interesting little event because you can get, as I said, up to 107 overall cards, because we can get 105s for free and they can get up to 107 overall. First of all, though, with what we can see is there is a mini star pass, and we've got some of the free things that we can claim. We can go on and claim that free thing, and then we can go ahead and play some skill games and matches to get some Thunderstruck points, Thunderstruck tokens. We can go on and claim this 50,000 coins right there, and then we can play these matches, as I said, to get even more coins, and we can go ahead and get Thunderstruck pass actually for the star pass in that. And then when we go on and complete all of those every single day, we can get 250 Thunderstruck tokens, as you can see, and those tokens are going to be useful for to claim these milestones right there. For example, you can claim 4,000 gems for 900 of them, a player pack for 1,500, a match runner for 2,400, and for when we go ahead and claim 3,300 of those tokens, you're going to be able to get 102 to 105 overall free player pack, which is very nice. And we've got this lucky strike thing there as well. You can go on and spend those tokens into these things if you want to, and every single day one of those items are gonna get a ×2 value. For example, we've got gems here, and you're gonna be able to get two times the amount of tokens that you would before. So for example, we are able to get 2,000 gems from that 2 times value, but normally it is 1,000. It's just gonna strike one of them on random, okay, and you're gonna be able to get double the amount of rewards for one of them. So yeah, that's quite cool as well, I guess. But as I said, not all of these players are gonna get live overall upgrades. So here are the players that are actually gonna get live upgrades, and this is how it's gonna work. 104s, we got 104s, 105s, 103s. Mbappe is unfortunately not gonna get a live upgrade, so he's gonna stay at 105. But we've got some other 105s that are actually gonna get live upgrades, and it's gonna work. The way it works, it is very simple. I already talked about it before, but you can see we've got Maddison there, we've got Michael Olise in 105 overalls, we've got Frank Lampard, 1 Percy, and we've got DiMarco on that right hand side. So basically, if Chelsea win 3 out of the next 5 matches, Lampard is gonna get +1 overall. This is league matches only. And you can go ahead and only get these live overall cards, by the way, with shards. Okay, you can only get them with shards. Shards, you can get them by exchanging other Thunderstruck cards, and when you go on and exchange other Thunderstruck cards, you're going to be able to get shards, and with those shards you're going to be able to get these live cards. Okay, you are only going to be able to get them with shards. This is what I think, at least. And you're not going to be able to get like Mbappe with shards or anything like that, but Lampard, 1 Percy, DiMarco, and all the other live cards you're only going to be able to get with shards. And shard system works pretty much the same way. You can go ahead and get like 5 shards with up to 107 overall cards, and with 105 you can get 200 shards. It works the same way. But with these upgrades, when Chelsea win 3 out of the next 5 league matches, Lampard is gonna get +1. Then if Chelsea concede fewer than 5 goals in the league in the next 5 league matches, he's gonna get another +1 overall. And when Chelsea's midfielders in their base position score 5 goals in the next 5 matches, they're gonna get +1 overall upgrade and +1 skill move upgrade and +1 we could upgrade, both of them. Okay, and that's gonna work with every single one of these cards right there. So this 105 overall, Van Persie can become 107, and same with Lampard and same with DiMarco. If all of if those top two things actually happen, and if the bottom thing happens as well, with 5 goals in the next 5 league matches for midfielders, then they are gonna get +1 overall skill move and +1 overall weak foot as well. And these are the 104 overall cards. If you want to take a look at them, Madison, Olise, and we got Inigo Martinez, the central back from Barcelona. We got 103s and 102s and some more of those cards as well. So that's pretty much how it's gonna work with Thunderstruck event, but the shard system is the same. You can go ahead and get this lab overall card. So with those shard system, there is Iwobi there is Harry Kewell, as well as Cambiaso. And if you don't want to get any of these players, you can go ahead and spend those shards to get some Mascherano's and some other tokens as well. You can go ahead and do that if you want to. Really quickly, before we actually get into the leagues as well, we've got new Beckham Chronicles that we're getting in the next refresh as well, which is gonna be today. So we're gonna get new Beckham Chronicles event chapter, and we're gonna be able to get different overall Beckham cards. We need to go ahead and follow his career pretty much. We're gonna get chapter 1 unlocked today, and then in 4 days we're gonna get chapter 2. In 11 days we're gonna get chapter 3, and in 18 days we're gonna get chapter 4, and at the end we're gonna be able to get a 104 overall base Beckham card, as you can see. So we need to just go ahead and follow his path, and at the end we're gonna be able to get a 104 overall base version, but throughout we're gonna get different versions of David Beckham as well. Some of them are gonna be pre-ranked, some of them are not gonna be pre-ranked, but you can see, look at that, we're gonna get so many of these things in collection section as well. We're gonna get a lot of versions of Beckham. 104 is there. 104 is there. 2 104s actually. 2 different 104s. If I see it correctly, we got some 102s, ranked up 102s, not ranked out, unranked 102, some 103, overall ranked Beckham as well. Look at that. Very interesting, right? We're gonna get so many versions of Beckham cards in this Beckham Chronicles section. But now we've got new league system, okay? And this league system is gonna be a bit cooler with a lot of better rewards, leaderboards, and everything like that. We're gonna go ahead and touch on pretty much everything in this section as well. So this is gonna be the layout of the new league system. As you can see, we've got the home page. We've also got quests, rewards, tournament, and leaderboard section as well, which, as I said, we're gonna go and take a look at, and we're gonna get a whole bunch of rewards in this section. We've got some achievements that we can actually achieve there as well, and get some of the different logos and everything like that. Look at that, we've got quite a few cool ones right there, and also we can go ahead and get league versus league tokens there as well. Okay, we can go ahead and get league versus league tokens right there, and those league tokens are gonna be used to get some prime icons, 104 overall prime icons, and a lot of other stuff. Actually, we're gonna go and take a look at that as well. Here are the reward system as well. During the season, we got like 28 days season, I'm pretty sure as well. In this one, and we can get a whole bunch of rewards. We got Winter Wonders player pack right there. We can go ahead and get coins, gems, and all the other things as well. Training transfer tokens, and throughout the season, you're gonna be able to get a lot of rewards. And depending on how you do in your league, you're gonna be able to unlock these rewards as well. It just goes on and goes on. And yeah, we can go ahead and get some of these things done. We've got this 100 to 105 overall Winter Wonders player pack, for example. For the first reward, you can go ahead and open that, and you can go ahead and get a player. If you get lucky, you're gonna get 105, but you can go ahead and use any card that you can get as a shard, obviously. Depending on how you do in your league as well throughout the season, you're gonna get league tokens that way as well. It works just like with division rivals. Bonus distribution rules, depending on how you do on your own, plus how you do as a league, you're gonna get different amount of those league tokens as well, as I said. So if you go and take a look at it, you can see based on your season level, you're gonna get different amount of league tokens at the end right there. And if you reach level 100, you're gonna get 3.6 million league tokens, and you can use those league tokens very well in that store section. You can get free 105 overall prime icons, as I said, some packs, 103 overall icons, and everything like that. If you go ahead and take a look at that in the store, actually, you can see where you can use all of them. You can use a lot, as I said. You can go and use a lot. We got 105 overall Eto'o Prime icon card, as you can see right there, for example, with 60,000 league tokens only. So that's quite a decent one, right? That's quite a decent one. We've got Kaka for 30,000, 103 overall. We got some packs as well. 100 to 105 overall for 10,000, 101 to 105 for 30,000, 95 to 102 tradable card as well for 3,000, and some more right there. 10,000 for 2,500 gems. We've got 100 to 104. We've got 91 overall Mashuano for 10,000 as well. Look at that. You can go ahead and use a lot of them, a lot of your league tokens at the end, and get free 105s, Prime Icon 105 for free. That's a decent reward, I think. That's a very, very good reward indeed. And we're gonna get a big leaderboard as well, but we're gonna get small leaderboards throughout as well with 10 different leagues in it. And this is how it's gonna work, okay? We've got 10 different leagues. As I said, it's gonna be random, but if you finish top 3, you're gonna get to a higher rank. For example, in this one right there, number 1, number 2, and number 3 in that league, based on how you perform, of course, you're gonna get upgraded to the higher rank, and bottom 3 are gonna be downgraded to the lower rank, and middle 4 are gonna stay in that rank, and you're gonna get those gems as well, which is gonna be cool. So this is just a very, very cool thing to get some free gems to get into higher rank and everything like that. Now at the end, I'm gonna go ahead and show you a new redeem code as well. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the new redeem code. If you want to get all the future redeem codes, you have to subscribe. Obviously, you have to subscribe if you want to get all of them, because whenever you get those redeem codes, I'm making videos straight away. And the new redeem code is Thunder Gift. This is the new redeem code, okay? This is the new redeem code right there. And then you go ahead and click redeem. You're gonna be able to redeem that. Congrats, you've successfully redeemed the reward. Check your inbox in game. Go ahead and check your inbox and let me know down in the comment section what you pack.